As a mechanical, electrical, or plumbing engineer or contractor, the right software can help you design, fabricate, and install complex building systems with confidence. Building information modeling is a powerful collaborative process for designing, detailing, and documenting building systems. Autodesk Revit software for BIM is a multi-discipline design tool that connects teams and tools and extends design to detailing. This means that in addition to being built for MEP design and fabrication, Revit is also used by the architects, structural engineers, and construction professionals who comprise the project team. Designers, engineers, and contractors can collaborate in a common BIM environment while maintaining a wide scope and fine level of detail throughout the entire project lifecycle. When everyone on a project uses the same software, they can more easily coordinate, collaborate, and share model data. In the past, MEP design and fabrication were disconnected from construction, resulting in confusion and conflict during installation. Today, MEP professionals choose Revit as a single platform to design, model, detail, and document building systems in the context of a full building information model, eliminating coordination errors and improving documentation. Revit analysis tools inform decisions during the design process and help you understand your design before it's built. Conduct simulations and interference detection early in the design process to better meet requirements for building systems efficiency. Use conceptual energy analysis data to conduct engineering-driven calculations. Design and model electrical systems within Revit with electrical content, including power, communications, fire safety, data, and nurse call. Route cable trays and conduits and keep track of electrical loads throughout the electrical distribution system. Design, model, and document plumbing systems. Convert design intent models into detailed fabrication models that are ready for shop drawings, procurement, ductwork manufacture, and installation. Access a single fabrication database from Revit. Autodesk's MEP fabrication products, Fabrication Est MEP, and Fabrication CamDuct manage estimates and drive sheet metal production. Use Revit detail models for spooling. As a single platform for a multidiscipline BIM workflow from design through construction, Revit is a powerful tool that helps teams collaborate and stay connected. For MEP engineers and contractors, Revit BIM software connects the teams, tools, and data for high-quality work that retains and wins new business.